The name Ford F-150 Lightning has remained at the top of consumers' minds since the vehicle's release. For 2024, the all-electric light pickup will be subject to no more than a few minor changes. These will most likely be small aesthetic tweaks. The automaker has announced a relatively significant redesign for 2025, although this seems premature, considering the quality of the vehicle. However, we have to acknowledge that a great deal of competition will arise in the full-size electric pickup category with the anticipated arrival of numerous other EVs in 2024. The F-150 Lightning, which just debuted 2 model years back, isn't dramatically different for 2024, but it does get some new equipment. New for 2024 is the Platinum Black Special Edition, which drapes the Lightning in a matte black wrap, with dark 22-inch wheels, a dark grille, and dark badging in an effort to go full Batman. Its starting price is $93,290, and only 2,000 are to be built. A new flash trim has been added to the lineup. The Flash features all of the Lightning's best tech bundled in a relatively affordable package that includes the larger 15.5-inch infotainment screen, the biggest battery pack, and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving mode. The rest of the F-150 Lightning lineup gets keyless entry and updated Blue Cruise 1.2 hands-free driver assistance. The ProPower onboard generator now powers up when you unlock the truck, no longer requiring the truck to be powered completely on. These changes are also given to 2022 and 2023 F-150 Lightnings as over-the-air software updates. The Lightning replaces the age-old roar of a V8 with the quiet and quick-twitch muscle of an electric powertrain packing as much as 580 horsepower. All Lightnings have all-wheel drive powered from dual motors, but only the extended range model's larger battery pushes the Lightning's max driving range to an EPA-estimated 320 miles. The Lightning can do pretty much anything the gas-powered F-150 can, but its lack of driving range while towing isn't much of a love story. A 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest Sync 4 software is standard, but Lariat and Platinum models come with an even larger 15.0-inch display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard. Ford will leverage its partnership with Bang & Olufsen to deliver 2 different optional premium stereo systems, one with 8 speakers in the Lariat and one with 18 speakers in the Platinum. Like the truck's exterior, the F-150 Lightning's cabin is much the same as the gasoline-powered F-150 with a few key differences such as an extra-large infotainment display and a voluminous front trunk cargo bay. The F-150 Lightning is offered only as a crew cab with a 5.5-foot bed. Speaking of roomy, the F-150 Lightning offers a large front trunk that utilizes the space where the normal F-150's engine would sit to carry additional cargo weighing up to 400 pounds.